Today, we're diving into the Generac 6485 scheduled maintenance kit tailored for 20 kilowatts and 22 kilowatts standby generators with a 999 cubic centimeters engine. Designed specifically for standby home generators, this kit ensures compatibility and efficient maintenance. It's a must-have for those relying on powerful 20 kilowatt 999 cubic centimeters engines to keep their homes powered. Generac recommends performing maintenance every 200 hours of generator operation or every 2 years. However, if your generator operates in a dusty environment, more frequent maintenance may be necessary. The kit includes comprehensive maintenance components such as a pre-cleaner, air filter, oil funnel, 2 spark plugs, blue cloth, instruction manual, and a maintenance reminder sticker. Keep in mind that oil is not included in the kit and must be purchased separately. Make sure to select the appropriate oil for your generator specifications to maintain optimal performance. For residential use, this maintenance kit is a crucial investment to ensure that your standby generator operates at its best when you need it the most. With a voltage of 240 volts AC and an output wattage of 22 kilowatts, it's a reliable solution for powering your home during outages. Stay tuned for more insights, and let's jump into the details of the Generac 6485 maintenance kit. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.